Hey, what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Today I have here a big robot here, which is the giant robo from the anime The Day the Earth Stood Still. So to be honest, I was expecting a bigger box since the name itself said giant robo, but I was surprised that it came from a medium-sized box. Anyway, let's check this kit out. So the box art here shows a very nice 3D graphic of Giant Robo, and it was released by Good Smile Company, Moderoid, and I really like the box illustration since it's in a 3D format. And it says here Giant Robo on the side of the box, and same on the other side. Behind the box we can see the silhouette of Giant Robo. It comes in a blue color with some red braces there on the forearm, the shoulders, the ankles. There are red braces, and it has one powerful weapon here, the cannon here. So it has a big cannon or shoulder bazooka, and if you look at the face of Giant Robo, it looks like an Egyptian sphinx, and there are two figures of, I think this is the commander of the robot, not the pilot, but the commander with this sexy lady there. So if we open the box, you can see this box is new, and I ordered it from HobbyLink Japan. There you can see the instruction manual in plastic. It's wrapped in the plastic. So if you open this, let's open this out. You can see the manual with the same box illustration on the 4-page, and we have the same illustration in the box art. So we have here the runner list. So as usual, Moderoid has a colored printout for the assembly instruction. So this is nice. I think this is an easy build because it doesn't have complicated parts, since the pieces here are quite large, and I can finish this for 2 hours maximum, depending on my mood. And inside of the packet also, along with the instruction manual, we have some I think this is dry transfer decals. Anyway, what I saw from the review, these are mainly for the eyes of the Giant Robo and the figures for the pilots or the commander of the robot. Okay, if we look at the contents of the box, it was placed sideways. That is why it doesn't occupy, or it can occupy a medium box, because the parts or the runners are placed sideways. So we have here big parts. So there are big parts here, black runners for the booster or the cannon, and these are for the braces, the red parts. So again, there are red parts here. We have here another black parts for the bazooka or the booster from the backpack. We have here blue runners for the armor pieces, and there we can see the figures for the commanders of the robot. We have here joint frames and armor pieces for the shoulder. There also we have some pre-painted parts there for the gem, the head gem, and for the head there are pre-painted parts already. We have here for the shoulder armors and inner frame of Giant Robo. Also same here for the braces. We have this separate part which is placed in a small box. So if we open this, we can see the skirt. It's a big skirt for Giant Robo. Okay. So as always, before we do the kit, we'll have a quick review of the parts for Giant Robo. So we have here chunky pieces for the torso of the kit. So it's in runner A. It has pre-painted parts here, and we can see the face of the Getter Robo, which is it has a paint on its eyes, and it's on the white, the sclera, only the sclera, so it doesn't have the pupil, because the pupil of the eye is here in this dry transfer decals. But I don't care, or I don't mind if I will not put it, because it looks more sinister if it doesn't have the pupil. So I will not bother to put that dot on the sclera. And we have here big chunky pieces again for the shoulder pieces. It's runner B. We have blue parts for the foot or the feet, and it's in runner T. Again, the same, it's runner T, so we have two sets of runner T. We have chunky pieces here for runner J and runner K, brown colored runners. We have black colored runner here with some pre-painted gold for the collar. We have the skirt with the studs on the linings. We have here runner B again, so we have two sets of runner B for the shoulder pieces. We have runner Q and runner R black parts for the inner frames, hand parts for runner C, and another chunky pieces for runner M and runner L for the backpack and the shoulder bazooka. We have here black parts stated runner N and runner P. We have another brown runners for runner H and runner I. So these are for the joint details. Again, we have runner D here for the hand parts, and these red runners here are for the braces. We have runner F, runner G, runner S, and runner E. So these are the red parts for the braces. To be honest, I like the color combination of this kit because blue and red really contrast each other, and it's very nice. The kit will look properly contrasted by its color. And what I observed, since the pieces of the kit are quite large, it's a beginner friendly kit. So if you're new in modeling hobby or model kit assembling, this is one of the great or good kits you can start off. And before we end this runner review, we have here two white runners here for the runner V and runner U for the Getter Robo, or the Giant Robo, Giant Robo's commander. But I will not waste my time to build this because I hate building figures for the pilots. Maybe I'll just keep these pieces here and just go on with the Giant Robo. Okay, see you next time. We'll just do or build this kit.